Hey guys, it just started snowing. It's all snowing and stuff. And here are the birds. I'm not sure if they enjoy the snow or not. Lewis, excuse me. But anyway, welcome to my channel, Panda Duck Goose. Just wanted to let you know that we have getting snow now. Lewis, you big old bird. I don't know what his deal is. I have no idea what his deal is. Hey, you be nice. You be a nice goose. Hey. Well, anyway, it's just the birds here. But yeah, I always liked snow because it's always like really cool, but it's like all cold and sometimes it could get in your eyes. But anyway, the foraging pool's right there, and here are the birds anyway. Well, I just wanted to let you guys know that we're getting snow now. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Leave a like and subscribe, and stay free.